My name is Usman Salman and welcome back to our today's lecture. You are watching Programming Fundamental channel. In today's lecture we are going to discuss how to sum the user defined number using integer array. For this program, let's start writing our code. In this code we are going to initialize our one variable with 0 and one array integer array of 10. Okay, then we are going to use for loop to take input from user. Okay, so now let's take input from user. Okay, now we are going to use an other for loop just to add these numbers. Okay, this for loop is also start with 0 and ends with 9 and it run 10 times. In this loop I just simply say c equals to c plus array I, and outside this loop I simply say sum equals to c. And now let's run this code. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Our sum is 55. Quite good. So let's jump to our second example. Our second example is write C++ program to check if the number is a prime number or not. That is a quite interesting example. So let's write this code. In this code we are going to initialize two variables, one with n and second I with 2. Okay, you can name these variable whatever you want. So also we are going to initialize bool function is prime equals to true, and then we are going to take input from user. Okay, then I am going to use while loop, and this while loop works when I is smaller than equals to n by 2. Okay, within this loop I am going to use if statement. And what is the statement? If statement is if n modulus with I is equal to 0, then simply call is prime equals to false and then break this loop and I plus plus. Then again one more if check, if is prime, then see out this is prime number, else may see out this isn't a prime number. Okay, so let's run this code. Seven is a prime number. Let's run this for unknown prime number. Let's say 25. This isn't a prime number. That's pretty cool. Now let's move to our last example. Okay, our last example is to write a C++ program that prints the reverse of user defined number. What does that mean? It means if I input like 1 2 3 4 5, then our program reverse this number and print 5 4 3 2 and 1. Let's see how it works. In this program we need three variables, one and again you can initialize whatever the name you want. Okay, then we are going to take input from user, enter your number, C in is n, and then we are going to use while loop. While loop works if n is not equals to 0. Okay, so within this loop I say C equals to n modulus with 10. What does it mean? It means n, which is user defined integer, taking modulus with 10 and give that value to C. And again then we say B equals to B multiply by 10 plus C. What does that mean? B, what is B? B is 0. Multiply by 10 becomes 0 plus C. C is the modulus of n with 10, and then we give that value to B. After that we say n divided by equals to 10. What does it mean? We can also write it as n equals to n divided by 10. Okay, so by this way it is easy to understand and easy to write. So after this we just simply see out reversed number equals to B. Now run this code and see how it works. I'm going to put 1 2 3 4 5 and reverse number is 5 4 3 2 1. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. You can use it for any number, integer, not a character. That's all for today's lecture. I will meet you in next video with more exciting examples to do. So good luck, goodbye.